Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best paintball masks you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best paintball mask on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which paintball mask are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Hksl Paintball Goggle. Composed of a robust blend of thermoplastic, the design of the Hksl face mask protects critical areas of the user, while still promoting supreme breathability and freedom of movement. The Hksl goggle system features the quick change lens retention system, which allows the player to replace their lens in seconds without the use of tools. Composed of a robust blend of thermoplastic, the design of the Hksl face mask protects critical areas of the user, while still promoting supreme breathability and freedom of movement. The snap-in-place removable upper and lower goggle foam insert makes it easy to clean and replace. With just a single pull, you can remove the upper and lower insert. Quick change lens retention system allows you to easily swap out your goggle lens fast and efficiently. Snap-in-place removable upper and lower goggle foam insert. Optically correct high-definition dual-pane thermal lens to prevent any possible fogging. Our second best paintball mask is Virtuevo Paintball Goggles. The Virtuevo mask has semi-flexible protection zones around the chin, eyes, and ears, as well as stiff protection zones around the chin, eyes, and ears. While it will fully shield your face and easily fit over the head of any user with manual adjustments, this mask isn't ideal for modifications while in high-stress battle. It has a single-piece construction that allows for optimum airflow through ventilation slits around the mouth, nose, and sides of the face. Ventilation stops the mask from fogging up while also allowing for easier breathing and excellent voice transmission. This mask has 2 layers of protecting and comfy eye foam on the inside, but you may remove the second layer if you get too hot or find it restricting. All V10 series visors, straps, replacement foams, and lenses are also compatible with this mask. Number 3 in our list is Dye Precision i4 Paintball Goggle. This mask has one of the thinnest profiles on the market, but it still offers a wide field of vision. Though the thermal lens is extremely industry-leading and gives a distortion-free and fog-free field of view, its major attributes are those that provide ventilation and protect the chin, mouth, and ears. By pushing on inside tabs and sliding the pane-free, the rapid change lens mechanism allows the wearer to change lenses in 10 seconds or less. The i4 helmet is fitted with a hard impact abrasion-resistant coating and is tested at twice the existing impact level for ASTM and CE standards. With 2-stage foam that is specifically engineered to wick perspiration and moisture, this unique facial foam provides the best comfort that fits generically to any face type. Soft and flexible earpieces that are compression molded from foam provide ear protection. The i4 distributes heat and moisture fast, allowing you to breathe easier and your voice to carry further to teammates, thanks to venting technology and blade angling on the mask. Fourth recommendation in our side is Dye i5 Paintball Goggle. Integrated mounting system for POV cameras. Play with confidence that you are capturing every moment on video. The POV mount sits parallel with your line of sight to help you attach your POV camera securely and with proper alignment so you won't miss a second of the action. Patent pending, quick, simple, toolless foam replacement. The i5 lets you keep your mask fresh, clean, and comfortable. Never play with worn, uncomfortable, and deteriorating foam again. In seconds you can be back to new and winning on the field. The i5 benefits from the new low-profile rapid lens change system, allowing lens changes in seconds. Lens changing is as simple as pinching the retention clips, sliding them forward, and the lens is free to be removed. Effortless, quick, and simple. Ear protection is critical, but it does not need to be bulky. The i5 system features a compression-formed earpiece that is soft, flexible, and extremely lightweight. Constructed with advanced materials that increase moisture evaporation while providing full coverage protection and comfort. Last in our top 5 best paintball mask list is Virtuevo Ascend Thermal Paintball Goggles. The Virtuevo Ascend is the newest addition to an industry-leading VO lineup, combining high-end performance with a mid-range price tag. Designed and built as a single-piece goggle, the Ascend is molded with dual materials for the perfect combination of protection, rigidity, flexibility and comfort. Although the Ascend is not built on a modular frame and face mask like the other higher-priced VO goggle systems, the Ascend does utilize the same technology found in key components of the VO platform, such as its quick change, fog-resistant thermal lens, upgradable strap, replacement foam, stealth visor and fan. The VO's large thermal lens offers the best field of view and can be removed and replaced in seconds thanks to the integrated hinge lock. With a host of common accessories in the VO platform, including the 18 different lenses, 35 different straps, 16 different visors, replaceable foam and the stealth visor fan. Breathe easier and vent condensation faster than ever with the massive airflow throughout the entire face mask.